Here's some more solving polynomial equations by factoring. And this is a good one. Again, we've got a polynomial here. We want to solve it. So first thing we want to do is set it equal to 0. So we'll subtract 27y from both sides. Y cubed plus 6y squared minus 27y equals 0. And then we try to factor it. And remember, the first thing we always check is a common factor in each term. And we can see that in each term there is a y. So this leaves me with y squared plus 6y minus 27. Now this looks like a simple trinomial. So I'll see if I can factor that. So I keep the y here. And I know that this will factor to be the product of two binomials. And the only way I'm going to get y squared is y times y. And I analyze my signs. Now remember, this tells me these two signs must be different because they have to multiply to give a negative. If they're different, this tells me the sign is larger because they have to add it to be a positive. So I would know my signs are going to be positive and negative. And just for, you don't have to do the plus here, you could do the positive here and the negative here. I just always put my largest one on the left, just so I always do it the same way. And I need two numbers that multiply to give 27. And remember, the signs are different, so they differ by, they differ by 6. And that looks like that's going to be 9 times 3. And you can always check that. Y times y is y squared, and then we got 9y minus 3y is 6y, and then negative 27. So you can FOIL it out real fast. So those are your possibilities. Now we have three factors that multiply to give 0, so we know either y equals 0, or y plus 9 equals 0, or y minus 3 equals 0. Here we can subtract 9 from both sides, so y equals negative 9. Add 3 to both sides, y equals 3, or y equals 0. So those are your possibilities.
B, please come to the counseling office. B, please come to the counseling office.
So we have a set here. 0, negative 9, and 3. And that's our solution set. Okay? So if that makes sense.